Assalamu alaikum.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope everyone is well. Today it is Salatul Jummah, Friday, the 3rd of April, and I'm just outside here, Masjid Al-Ansar in Goodmace, which is not too far away from Ilford and Seven Kings. So I'm not from around here, so I'm trying to do the geography so you guys will know where I am. I am standing outside the new shop, brand new shop they have opened up from Prophetic Blends. They sell some amazing honey, they sell some amazing black seed oil, they sell amazing things that has made my life so much better. And I'm not going to share the story with you. I'll put a link down below how I actually met these brothers, right? So today, alhamdulillah, I'm witnessing a group of brothers who have turned a unique idea, a small idea, into something amazing, right? They have won many awards for their amazing products, right? So let me go and show you, inshallah.
Allah, 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 Allah. He's guiding us every day and night. Allah, 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 Allah. He's guiding us every day and night.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi.
My bro, every time I see you, man, you've got this lovely smile on your face, right? And honestly, I have to say, I've mentioned this on the camera, that we met in a very unusual but special circumstance, right? Which I have actually done a video on my YouTube channel, so I'll put a link down below. So Akhi, today alhamdulillah, I'm so glad to be here. Thank you so much for inviting us over, and thank you so much for this place. So for the benefit of the viewers, what's happening here today?
Yeah, so alhamdulillah, we've always been like an online business, and many times people would ask us, do you have a shop? Want to come try the products, you know, especially with these organic produce. There is a lot of, you know, like a sort of inauthentic products.
So what is it that you do here? Like, tell me some of the products.
So we have a range of organic honeys, organic oils. We do black seeds, a variety of dates. So we do like a variety. We do saffron, shilajit.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's basically like a home of health. We call it. We like to call it. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, my viewers will know that often I talk about honey, and this isn't the honey that you get off supermarket shelves. This is a special kind of honey. Just tell us like a snapshot of two things that.
So essentially, as the honeys, the rest of the products, they're all cold pressed, they're all organic, and they're all raw. So there's no GMO, no pesticide or impact on it. So it's straight, you could say, from the hive to your home.
SubhanAllah.
Yeah. So, and with all the oils as well, so there's no additives, no preservatives, so it's all raw.
Right, and from your last event, I noticed that you have some unique honeys, right?
Yeah.
So just behind your shelf there, you've got the Taif honey. You've got this one here.
This,
tell us about this one. This is called the Siberian rose hip.
Yeah, so this is the Siberian rose hip that grows in the tree, and we've infused that with organic Russian honey. So the rose hip is what gives it the pink color. Obviously it's not pink honey, but it tastes very, very unique.
And obviously I've tried the Sidr honey, and honestly I love Sidr honey. It's that Moorish kind of honey. It's very caramelly tasting.
Yeah, caramel tasting.
And it's not like something you spread on your toast. You can actually have that, not like just for illness, like I have that just before sleep.
Okay.
And my son just behind the camera, we often have this like session where we just have honey. You just like, you don't eat it, you just let it kind of like
it melts into your mouth,
melts into your tongue, and it just tastes unique and amazing. And it has, you know, just like, I'm not sure if you know, I used to have digestive problems,
you mentioned,
and that's how I came into Sidr honey. Like I've tried so many different pills and this and that from Amazon.
Same story as us. I've had indigestion problems my whole life.
Right.
And when I got introduced to black seed oil, which helped with bloating, and Yemeni Sidr, which helps with stomach ulcers and indigestion issues, it helped to like change the game for us. Yeah.
Tell me, you know, a lot of people don't know about black seed honey, black seed oil as well, right? So what are the best ways to take black seed oil?
Black seed oil is actually a multi-purpose product. You can drink it orally. You can use it on your beard, on your hair. It helps to stimulate hair growth.
Right.
And you can also use it on your skin as well. It's good for eczema, acne, psoriasis. People use it as part of their moisturizing, cleansing.
It's very underrated, isn't it? Because people really don't look into it. And when they do find out, that's why there is a big hype about black seed oil and black seed honey as well. Not because it's a trend, because it's a very prophetic medicine.
Effective as well. It was used in times of Cleopatra. It was used in Ayurvedic traditions. It's been used in Islamic traditions. So it is dated back years ago, but it's just the current mass market doesn't really push it because obviously, of course, not to their benefit.
Yeah, absolutely. And I noticed just on the shelf there, you have this step over here, inshallah. I've noticed you've got like gummies, Himalayan Shilajit gummies. Some of you brothers and sisters will know we have a health and fitness group, and it's not for gym fanatics, it's for brothers to amplify and help themselves and help each other in better health and fitness, right? So again, anything to do with illnesses and better things to eat and drink as well. But we talk a lot about Shilajit. What is Shilajit exactly?
So Shilajit is actually a resin that comes from the Himalayan mountains. The one that we have comes from Gilgit in Pakistan, a very beautiful area. But it's actually from the Himalayan mountains, so it's a resin that's taken from there, and then it's like we have it in like in attar-like resin. So this is the gummy version of it.
So how do you take this?
So these gummies, you pop them like any normal gummy. So this is like an alternative for people who can't stomach the taste. Shilajit is very overwhelming, very powerful, and especially today's day and age, a lot of people can't sort of stomach the taste. So this is like an alternative. However, we always say that the original source is always better.
So normally, when I've had Shilajit before, you just have a little spoon, tiny little, like
a pea size amount.
Yeah, and you mix it into water, and you just down it, right?
That's it,
What's the best time to take that, in the morning?
Shilajit, the best time is always in the morning, an empty stomach. Alternatively, before like a gym workout.
Yeah,
or maybe like
it gives you more energy, right?
Gives you energy,
natural energy, mashallah.
Good for gut health. It helps with brain fog, back pain, a variety of stuff. Yeah.
And with everything that we take, right? Obviously, it doesn't work straight away, right?
No, of course,
it takes a little while to
work. Takes time. Yeah, it's part of a whole balanced, healthy lifestyle. Yeah,
mashallah.
So you have to substitute, unhealthy stuff out.
Yeah, there's not like a magic pill, right? You have to obviously live a healthy lifestyle as well. So what is the best selling product here out of everything?
The best sellings are black seed oil.
The Ethiopian?
We get it direct from the Gondor Mountains in Ethiopia. This is our flagship item. Yeah. So we started with this, and alhamdulillah, we have like a very solid direct relationship with our suppliers.
So you can ingest this?
Yes, you can.
As you said, put it on your skin. Yeah. And Ethiopian, is that the strongest?
Ethiopian is generally known to be the most potent,
Subhanallah. Yeah. And you got the Moroccan argan oil.
Yeah, so this for skincare, for hair.
I'll put that on my beard.
Oh yeah, alhamdulillah.
Mashallah, it's very nice. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. And also you got like Ethiopian black seed. Yeah, black seeds as well, right?
Yeah, so these are the oil is pressed from these seeds.
So this seeds, how would you have that?
Just have it direct, add it into your food, add it into tea, mix it with honey, yogurt.
Yeah. I know, subhanAllah. And I've seen some people put it in dates. They open a date up and put it in, right? I started this video off by saying, brother had a very small idea and he turned to something amazing like this. How did this come about?
The shop, so alhamdulillah, the Masjid Al-Ansar in Good Maze has been a masjid for many years. Alhamdulillah, we've had a very good relationship with many brothers there, partook in a lot of charitable activities, and alhamdulillah, one of the brothers who's part of the masjid, he mentioned that they have this space available, and then the IG postcode is generally where the crux of our supporters and the community.
So this is Good Maze?
Good Maze in Ilford, yeah.
Ilford, it's actually Ilford, right? I always get mixed up. I thought Good Maze and Ilford are two different places, right?
And it's a wonderful place, the people are very lovely.
But bros is born and bred NW, so just keep that in mind. But alhamdulillah, it's a really good location, and I always encourage my brothers and sisters to come down. There's a group of people here today, and they've taken some stuff. And today, the first opening, you have a special offer here as well, right? And brother always look after people, right? He's always at events and stuff.
Inshallah, especially for Beamer-based supporters, we'll have like a special discount.
Inshallah. Are you planning on doing any other events as well coming up?
Yeah, we will be. So because we're part of the masjid, we'll have brothers come in, like influential brothers. They have a big youth network here as well.
Mashallah.
So we'll be doing like a lot of stuff. We'll be getting like health professionals come in, and just brothers from all sort of expertise, just providing a platform for them as well.
Barakallah feek. This is amazing. I used to suffer from a lot of health problems, right? And I came to a part of my life where I was trying to find a way of doing something, like taking something else, like went to the doctor's like, you got to do this.
Quick fixes.
And it was damaging. I was taking painkillers, right? Taking painkillers, and
they have a lot of side effects.
And I was feeling worse. But alhamdulillah, things like, the Sidr actually brought me closer to Islam, because
it does,
it's mentioned in the Quran.
Surah Najm is mentioned. Alhamdulillah. So this stuff dates back to many years ago. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, has given us all these beautiful
absolutely
products.
Amazing. My bro, you have our du'as, and honestly guys, check this place out. Do come down. and they'll look after you. And as I say, I'm actually going to try a few products, inshallah, in a minute. Just waiting for someone to come over. So, bro, and also today we have some karak chai.
Yeah.
Where did this come from?
And this is from a business called Al-Ansar.
Al-Ansar. Are they based around here?
They're like an online business,
Right.
But they pop up all around as well.
MashaAllah. This is amazing, right? Yeah. Very caramelly type karak chai. You guys know I love karak chai, right?